This 2018 Dodge Charger is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Dodge Charger RT5 7L Hemi V8 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, keyless entry, keyless start, adjustable steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, white knuckle exterior, black interior, Dodge floor mats, balance of factory Dodge warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2018 Dodge Charger RT is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.